Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. If you're looking to add a utility sink next to your washer for more convenience and functionality, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through a complete step-by-step guide on how to install a utility sink next to your washer. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Materials and tools. Utility sink. Water supply lines hot and cold. Drain pipe. Wrench. Pipe cutter. Teflon tape. Level. Adjustable pliers. Drill. Screws and anchors. Step 2. Choosing the location. The first thing to think about is where you want your utility sink. You want it to be close enough to the washer for convenience, but also in a spot where it won't interfere with your daily activities. Ideally, the sink should be placed within reach of both the water supply lines and the drain. Step 3. Turning off water and preparing the area. Now, safety first, always turn off the water supply before working with plumbing. You don't want any surprises when you start disconnecting lines. Find your main water shut-off valve and turn it off completely. Next, clear the space around where you'll be working. Make sure there's plenty of room to install your sink and connect the plumbing. Now you're ready to get started. Step 4. Installing the utility sink. Start by positioning the utility sink where you want it. Make sure it's level using a level tool, and secure it to the wall or floor, depending on the model. If the sink has pre-drilled mounting holes, use screws to anchor it into place. Step 5. Connecting water supply lines. Now it's time to connect the water supply lines. For this, you'll need to hook up both the hot and cold water lines to the sink. If your washer already has water lines in place, you can simply split the lines to feed both the washer and the utility sink. Apply Teflon tape to the threaded connections to ensure a tight seal and prevent leaks. Then, use a wrench to tighten the fittings, but don't over-tighten. Once everything is in place, you can turn the water back on and check for any leaks. Step 6. Connecting the drain line. Next, we'll connect the drain line. Your utility sink will need a proper drain hookup. If your washer has a drain pipe, you can connect the sink's drain to that existing line using a P-trap. If not, you may need to install a new drain pipe or connect it to an existing one in the wall. Make sure everything is secure and there's no chance of a leak. Once the drain is hooked up, test it by running some water in the sink. Check for any leaks and tighten as needed. Step 7. Final checks and testing. Alright, we're almost done. Run the water through the sink and the washer to make sure both are functioning properly. Double check for leaks around the water supply and drain connections. If everything's dry, you've successfully installed your utility sink. And that's it. You've just installed the utility sink right next to your washer. It's a simple upgrade that adds so much convenience to your laundry space. You can now wash out clothes, soak items, or clean up messes with ease. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a DIY project. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.